In this video, we'll show you how you can use the accessibility menu to create accessibility shortcuts on your Pixel phone. You can set up unique shortcuts to quickly turn on or switch between accessibility features you want to use on your Pixel. To begin setting a shortcut, open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. Select an accessibility feature that you want to be able to use quickly. Tap to turn on the app's accessibility menu shortcut. And then choose a shortcut option such as Magnification Shortcut. This will create an accessibility button to access the accessibility app or feature quickly. Some accessibility apps have additional unique shortcut options. To see those, tap Advanced. Once you've selected your shortcut option, tap Save. To use the accessibility shortcut, tap the Accessibility button. If you choose a different shortcut, such as hold volume keys or triple tap screen, performing that shortcut action will allow you to use the accessibility app. To turn off an accessibility feature, tap the Accessibility button, or perform the alternate shortcut action you chose. If you have multiple shortcuts turned on at one time, you'll see them stacked along the side of your screen. You can also create a shortcut to the accessibility menu, which provides quick access to different Pixel phone controls. First, tap to turn on the accessibility menu shortcut. If asked to allow accessibility menu to have full control of your device, tap Allow. Now you know how you can use the accessibility menu to create accessibility shortcuts on your Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.